Halloch gimmerst in Canada bhí stríos an cóirich an túsanach fat imimeach bliana. Ach bhuiich an garage glach œnchúslug ar a bhóran. Chogún arsthóst Canada goró cetig slúag nan sinnaigst sealacarach san dúich radisianta achga, gyda bha róna seo imis goróad ar a gola bí mar slúag.
From the first court case to the first appeal, to the second appeal, and then to the final decision with the Supreme Court of Canada. I've called the museum and told them that my space next to the dinosaur could be vacant now that I didn't need that spot anymore. Feels like personally that I've opened up my past, that there's just no longer this invisible line that says that I'm extinct in that part of the country where my relatives and where my ancestors traveled to for thousands of years.
Harik furach tufhal na kriches na stajan önigje, kolnar I fioin elegan an ön trev.
Having that tie and being able to take, harvest those foods from that area where our people came from, it's almost hard to even describe how our people feel. It brought back that recognition of our people, of who we are. And that's so important as well. We never felt we were extinct. We're still here. We still exist. We're talking about having some type of a formal ceremony with Canada where they will remove their declaration that we are extinct.
A halfjoin jehlúag nan sinnaigst furach an Canada hain hast, agus iadsan feichin chúirte an na dóid ar
It doesn't give land rights. It doesn't give any other right. It's not a reversal of the extinction. If you extincted us as autonomous people, and you are truly trying to reconcile and right a wrong, you don't say, you can go eat there, but you can't have rights there.
Heid cóirich in Galiad se háirteach luag an túsanach an cúnantan, agus ha Maryland sa carachin bhí strí an son, ach hasin go ma coscal agus chat a herivich liocha haast.
A fiú iawn nach fo treaty mar a hannesit, fo unte etere Kroonbrechten kun je gemich agus na jiffer logan. Och na dunya ha mar a hannesit under treaty na dunya ha vergoeden en agus fo untien hat gariru daine hub na karmen hachkesen.
Sul ker son nach roer a son na cóirichin sin a háirteach luag nan sinnaigst.
It represented a pretty nice coup for the Canadian government to have control of one of the main stem rivers in North America. There are currently something like 476 dams on the Columbia River.
Cus Bertainje a han an cóirichin túsanach. Andreas Wolf, BBC an lá.